I am now start working on the third layer of my Volvarella mushroom setup. So I need to add more banana leaf bundles to this pile, and then add the spawn here. Here is the spawn mixture, and then at the center I'll be adding the Madre Cacao leaves. Okay, so this is the entire setup. I have asked a cousin to mount these bamboo poles to serve as foundation or base for my mushroom culture. So this is it. So probably we can come up with 5 to 6 layers of banana sheath and leaves. So these have been bundled 2 weeks ago by Noah Narcico, a best student who's helping me here in the farm. So I'm glad that this is already handy and ready for today. So time is, I guess, 3:45 in the afternoon. Okay. Good day, good luck to all of us.